Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when now.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Wells and I'm just with no makeup today because I am still recovering from my back surgery. So I just been doing some refocusing since I've been home, which is good for me. Unfortunately, I lost my dog that I've had for 13 years, Gracie, and I miss her tremendously. So Hi, so today we're sitting outside. I'm trying to decide where I want to put my bird feeders from Ermete. A little bit about this company. They can be found on Amazon. They have great products that are easy to put together and just really affordable. It's some you always want to feed the animals, and feeding birds is cheap. If you don't have a dog, or if you do have a dog, or you just want the beauty of the chirping that kind of relaxes you. Well, it relaxes me anyway. But I love hummingbirds. Here in Arizona, they have beautiful colors. So I'm sure and I know I did the same thing when I was living on the East Coast as well. So I am really into feeding my little winged friends. So I've got a tree out front, and that's where I'm going to put my hummingbird feeder. I haven't decided where I'm going to put the other feeder yet, so I'm still thinking about that. But we're going to go ahead and put up the hummingbird feeder. I'll show you how I put it together. You can use a lot of different products to put in there, but you want to go check out Ermete on Amazon. They're going to show you a lot of products that you can use to get your bird sanctuary going. So just keep on watching and we'll put this all together. Thanks Ermete for sponsoring this video. Just take this part right here and you put it right down here so it kind of sits like that. And then you can feed all the other little birdies and keep it from getting wet. So I'm going to put both of these up. You also get these little sticker things, I guess, to stick to your windshield or whatever you want to put it on. I myself am not going to put it on a window, but I will put it on a tree, so I'm not going to need these. I will save them just in case. But that's it. That's all I got from Ermete. So make sure you check them out. I will put all of their information below, so you can go check out how to help feed your little furry friends, which I always recommend. It doesn't cost you much to feed a bird. And there are a lot of them out there. The birds do have their jobs in our ecosystem, so make sure that you're looking out for them. Rice is not good for them, but bird feed you can get pretty cheap at any place. You can get that at the dollar store. Girl. So do check out Ermete. They have some wonderful, beautiful items. You get some nice stickers with this bird feeder. And then if you're just strictly about your hummingbird, check out their little hummingbird, little bird feeder